Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. Well, this is my subject today and I'm a photographer. I shot this image. Well, actually, this image, not pencil drawing type image. Well, this is one, my subject today, and I got another image. I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Fine Edges. Well, the reason why I didn't show you that base image of the photograph, because I like this pencil drawing type image so much. I don't want to, once you see that photograph, your image is going to be kind of, well, some fixed already in your head. So I just want to make a creative image from this sort of intuition or something like that. Just the imagination, I would say. I like this pencil drawing. What I said is the circle of this mirror ball is maybe I can paint it on interesting circle, like an earth, like a moon, like a sun. I don't know. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna move this drawing, layer in between these images, and I'm gonna paint it on this layer I'm gonna use that watercolor brush first. Watercolor, big one, watercolor wash flat. Then I'm gonna start with this circle. I usually paint it on skin tone first, but this time I want to try a different way to make something interesting. I don't know. Well, let's try it, and I'm going to choose the color first. I want to go with like this. So I'm going to go from here. I don't care much. Well, turn this one back. So I'm going to turn this two layers off. Then I'm going to add another layer. Then let me try again with again same watercolor round detail to go outside first. Again, I'm going to go for blue first. Okay, go change the watercolor wash flat and make it big, not max, about this much. Then water is fine, and this much. A little bit more shadow blue this time, because the color is gonna be show up when you add the water. Now I'm gonna add another color for here. One more green. Now I can see the texture of the color when it once dried on this one. Dry layer, then add some yellowish green, make a little bit bigger. Well, I'm going to change the brush to round detail and then make it bigger. Now we have some texture, I think. Let's see. Okay, watercolor round, the wash flat, make it bigger, more shadow tone. Okay, from here. No, this color's too much, so I'm gonna delete this layer. I only leave these two. It's adding yellow, but it doesn't look like yellow. There is. Well, okay, now I'm gonna leave this one just it is. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not, but just turn it off. I don't see. Then I'm gonna have some skin tones now. I'm gonna add layer on this. Then I'm gonna go for skin tones on here. Now make some nice highlight side of the skin tone. Use the watercolor wash flat. Make some okay, and I'm gonna add some lips and I'm gonna draw eyes. Well, change the brush, draw in here. I'm gonna dry first. There we'll go for hair, the real light. Okay, leave the white area and I'm gonna add some brown color. Okay, I guess that's it for hair, and now I'm gonna try to add some background colors on this. So I'm gonna add this layer, add layer again for background. Now I'm gonna use that real dark image, I think, to add now watercolor around detail. That's not the image. Okay, I'm going to turn this one back on 100%. Then I'm going to create an empty mask. Now I'm going to hide. Well, since there is not much, okay, I'm going to hide on this with the, okay, go with wet brush 1. So choose the black to hide this. I'm hiding here. Now make it smaller, soft. Okay, pretty much hide. Now I'm gonna leave these dark ones here. That's fine to me. And this, that's okay. Now I'm gonna reveal on this photograph base image. Same time, maybe about 75%. I'm gonna create empty mask again, and I'm gonna invert this. Now I'm gonna, well, let's see. What's this black dot come from? Come from here. Okay, I'm gonna a little bit hide this one first. Then after that, I'm gonna hide from here. Base photograph image. No, I don't want this image. Yeah, I'm gonna completely out. Okay, that's it for. Okay, now go back to this, then reveal with this wet brush 1 to reveal on this. Okay, let's go for it. Well, what do you guys think? I think it's pretty much done. Let me see on this. About this. This is the texture of the hair almost. Then this one. Well, change to this. Turn this one off. Then I share this one. Opacity down. All the way down. No colors. I only see the skin colors around here, just reflecting. And I'm gonna on this. Well, maybe 70% or so, shadow color. Yeah, turn this one off. Then background. Not bad, I think it's go down dark, make it dark, so that's why it's kind of, I don't know, it's light around here. About this mask. The photo image is only opacity, 75%. That's, I think it's okay. Otherwise it's gonna go, yeah, about 80%. Okay, well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate you support me. Thank you again. Have a nice day, guys, and see you next time. Bye today. Ciao.